Welcome back to the Tamarosa. Today we're going to talk about the journey from our old farm truck to our new farm truck. Here we have the mighty Big Blue 1996 F-150 long bed extended cab. Has been a really great truck for us, has done a lot of work for the farm, and we've had it about 10 years. It was originally new from a guy in the Army in Fairbanks, Alaska, and we bought it from him, and it has never stranded us. It's got some issues though that would require about a couple $1,000s of work, so we decided to get a new truck. Here we are. It is time to clean out the truck and get it ready to go to the dealership. We're going to point out some of the special features of our vehicle. Obviously, tape deck, super awesome. Other advanced features include this awesome seat cover, which allows you to have gloves anytime you need them. You can just stick them right there. This truck still had the cigarette lighter, so that's kind of fun. And one of the things we always kept in the glove box, of course, was our error code reader. You know it's a good truck when you have your own error code reader so you can clear your codes. It had this awesome gear shift. What are some other awesome features of the truck there, Stacy?
No cruise control.
No. Well, there was cruise control if you wedged your foot a certain way against the gas pedal. And when you're
sagging headliner.
Yeah, when you were going a certain speed, this would kind of wave in the wind a certain way. It was kind of hypnotic. So our truck has been a good truck for us. You know, we had it almost 10 years. It's almost 24 years old now. And it's time to move to a new truck so that we can have something we can depend upon. And it's with us with this next stage of our farm. But it is still sad to let go of our old truck. It was been there for so many of the important moments of our farm and getting our farm started. This is what we use to trailer home our calves. It also obviously carried a lot of our building materials to build our farm, and when we would do projects on the farm we used it all the time. So we love our truck and we're looking forward to having a new farm truck that we can have new memories with. We're back at the farm now in our new truck. The buying process went very well. We got a really good deal on it because it is a 2019. Also because it's a straight cab and an 8-foot bed. XL, so has all the modern bells and whistles, but not all the extra super duper stuff. Here's what it looks like on the inside. Oh look, there's a Stacy inside.
Look. I make this truck look good.
Has a lot of good storage in the doors, and even though it's a straight cab, there is actually storage behind the seats, which is nice.
Good storage back there.
And basic Ford layout. Trying to see how many buttons they can get on the steering wheel. And it is 4-wheel drive. It's got a 4-wheel drive knob. Every vehicle after 2014 has to have a backup camera. So it has a tiny screen here, so that's nice. And this middle part flips up to make it a third seat, so like a bench seat. And there is storage underneath the center part. Ta-da! What's your favorite thing about this new truck now that we got it and we drove it home?
Today it was the air conditioning.
That was pretty nice. It also has cruise control, which is pretty nice.
That was really nice too.
And it was so quiet, like we were inside and it was just so quiet because normally when we drove in the other truck it was pretty loud on the inside.
Yeah.
Alright, what are we going to go do now?
Drive around.
We're just going to drive around in our new truck. But also we want to drive around at nighttime and see what the lights are like and all that. So here we go. Alright, here we are. Going for a drive in our fancy new truck. It's so smooth and quiet. I love it. And we're up higher, I feel. Best birthday present ever. We let the cows across the road to graze in this hayfield. So we have a cow crossing right now. It's a good thing I have a nice farm hand to take care of that for me. Looks like Carnation wants to come check out the new truck. There we go. What a bunch of silly calves. Here we are driving at night. It's got good headlights. Stacy's driving now, you can't see him.
Because it's nighttime.
Because it's nighttime. But yeah, still very happy with the truck.